Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Swanson vitamin subscription. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy. What you have to do, there are two methods by which you can easily cancel your subscription. You can contact with the customer support team if you are not a technical person. Okay, and the contact us page I will provide you in description page, in the description link, and you can visit on the link and you can find out their phone number. Their phone number is also available on their official website also. Okay, and first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account. And once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of window when you tap on your account option. And once you logged in, you need to tap on your account option. You will see there are lots of options. You need to select subscription. Okay, and once you select subscription, it will redirect you on your subscription page and you can cancel your subscription without any doubt. Okay, but make sure you need to provide at least 36 or you guess like hour notice period. Okay, and if we talk about like other method, the other method is very easy. You can cancel your subscription by dialing their phone number, and once you dial their phone number, you need to tell them that please provide a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and by using this way you can cancel your Swanson vitamin subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.